Hello everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Conversation. Actually more like tea and conversation this time of year because it just gets so cold. I love my tea. I have my coffee early in the morning and now I'm having my tea because it tastes delicious. You're with me, Shanda Kim, your realtor who cares and your funding broker who is always trying to find a solution. Today, I want to sit down and have an honest talk about what's happening in the government shutdown. I'm hearing everybody talk about it and how it's affecting real estate, jobs, and small businesses, and most importantly, what we can do together to find solutions during this tough time. I'm a teacher, a small business owner, a homeowner, a mom. I have my many hats, and I feel the strain too. I'm scared of what's going on because of just the stress of it all. And I've lost some sleep because I'm kind of worried about my friends. There are a few who are really struggling right now. They had government jobs and they lost them. So the government shutdown has really started to ripple through the real estate world. Many families are feeling the strain as federal workers face delayed paychecks and private sector jobs connected to government contracts that are being paused or lost altogether. It's really, really not okay. And I'm not going to do the political part of this because I keep my personal political views to myself, but we all know what side did this. And they just continue to put their foot down and not do anything to help American people. They refuse to sign anything to extend the talks because they want something. Anyway, for buyers, this can mean loan approvals being delayed, especially for FHA and USDA loans, because those agencies are either partially closed or running with limited staff. There's just so much happening. For sellers, this means fewer buyers in the market and homes staying listed longer. It's stressful, I get it. And for homeowners who suddenly lost income, the fear of not being able to make that next mortgage payment, it's real. It's terrifying. And I understand, and I feel so horrible. But please know there are programs stepping in to help right now. If you're worried about losing your home, reach out to your loan servicer as soon as possible. Many are offering forbearance or payment deferral options for those affected by the shutdown. So I am happy to actually see that companies and businesses and banks are doing this. I am very happy to see these things happening. You can also check with your HUD-approved housing counselors who can guide you through emergency assistance programs and relief grants available in your state. Some states have these and these funds never get used. And now is the time where you're probably going to need them. Now, let's talk about small businesses because they're being hit too. When people lose jobs or face uncertainty, spending slows down. That means fewer customers walking through the doors of local shops, fewer service calls, and fewer contracts. And to make matters worse, many government-backed loan programs, like those through the SBA, are on hold during the shutdown, making it even harder for small businesses to get the funding they need to survive to grow. But there's where I come in. As a funding broker, I work with private lenders and funding platforms through Freedom Path. Bolt Funding is amazing. They have so many different ways to do things that are still operating, and they're doing what they can do. This means helping business owners access capital quickly without having to deal with the red tape of traditional banks. Because when you go through a traditional bank, there's all this added tape and stuff that you have to go through, and nobody tells you this until you're actually trying to get your loan and do all your stuff, and you're going, what the heck? So if your business is struggling or you need a financial cushion to keep your doors open, let's talk. I'll get you into my platform. We'll do your application, see what there is out there for you. And there are options available right now, and I can help you find the right fit. Now, at the end of the day, the shutdown is more than politics. It's people's lives, homes, and livelihoods. I want you to know that you're not alone. Whether you're trying to save your home, find a new one, or keep your small business afloat, I'm here to walk through it with you. And I understand because I'm there as well. And step by step, we got this. I understand the struggles of being a single parent, the struggles of making sure the food's on the table, the struggles of everything. I've been there. I raised 3 children virtually on my own. And most of the time didn't have child support. I actually had to forgive the arrears and do things to try to force him to be a dad. But that's okay. That was a lesson learned. So, like I said before, we're all going through it. I'm Shanda Kim, the realtor who cares and the funding broker who's trying to find a solution. Here to help you find solutions through my funding platform, if you're a small business owner, or here to guide you through the real estate needs if you're just starting to look for a home. Let's sit down, talk it through, and figure it out together. Until next time, take care of yourself and your family, and remember, no matter how uncertain things feel, there's always a path forward. I hope you have an amazing day.